We have a product. I said to my friend Timothy, he's a barber. We should go to a barber shop. In a barber shop, you hear all kind of conversation, but it's never one that is fruitful and good. It's about rich people, boxers, who's the greatest boxer. My son told me, you're in the wrong business. I said, why? Because you heal people. You need to break ribs to get millions. Like Muhammad Ali. He busts people's ribs and he's famous. The other one, the brother, Tyson, he busts your ribs too. He gets millions. And hey, you come curing ribs. And they don't even recognize you. So what I did, I told Timothy, I'm going to make a product that is going to heal black folks. And I'm not going to charge what they charge me. When I went to my healer, he charged me $2,000. 1963. Cuernavaca, Mexico. Alfredo Cortez said, I guarantee that you will no longer have diabetes. And that's 40 years ago, isn't it? Who cured diabetes today? There aren't any institute in the world that cured diabetes. He cured me 40 years ago. And now I'm curing diabetes. And nobody hear about that either. I told Timothy, I'm going to make a product that's going to sell for no more than $80. And it's going to cure everything that you could possibly think of. I brought it down to this for only $50. This is the Viento. This is a product that I tried it first on my mama. I want to hear what she had to say because my mom is always criticizing me. She said, well, finally, you did something that really worked. She said it works. Pain, bowels, energy, sex, I is right here. This is my latest compound. I have condensed all of my products for one, the Viento. I take it every day. In fact, I took some yesterday because I knew I was coming. I didn't sleep last night. I haven't slept all day. This man had me up all day, and I only took 2 of these. And I still have energy. This is not a vitamin. Vitamin has no place in human life. Because vitamins are dead. They are non-electrical. This is electrical. This is considered by the Supreme Court as natural vegetation cell food. Natural vegetation cell food is electrical. Everything that God makes is electrical. Anything man-made, not so. So, I am promoting my latest product. And no, ain't no recall here. I know that tonight you've heard many things.